Well, happy every day.
Bullshit! Yo! Hey, dude! What's going on? Hi! Is this your pet? Is this your pet, dude? Oh my god! That's so cool! How did he get this? Dude, that's sick! I like your drip too. What? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I like it. Anyway, he dies in the rain. Oh no! He could sit in lava! That's so cool! Oh! Hey, that hurt, man. Your temple? Okay, okay, let's show me. Oh my god, I'm getting a tour from Luca. Yo, can you go any fucking slower? Bro. This is like the slowest fucking thing ever. What? Welcome. Give offering inside well. Proper way to show respect. Crouch walk to blue and fro. Gold, iron, diamond, or bronze.
I love Minecraft.
Oh.
We'll also have fun tonight. Take care of yourself. Drink more water and have enough rest.
Oh, thank you. I didn't have anything to give. I'll give. Crouch walk and throw to blue. Like this? Oh. Oh. Ah! I pray that I will... Ah! Hey. What is this? Did I get pranked? Oh my god. I do like it, I do.
Poached pot of food.
This is very chill. You're gonna let me ride him? Oh my god. Whee! Yo! Woo! This is so cool. Oh, he goes faster. Oh my god. Hey, he's picking up speed. Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby! How? I just right clicked and I think it like did something. Yeah. Here's your pet back. Thank you for the ride. That was so fun. Let me up! This is so cool. Hey! What did they say? Augie! Boing, boing, boing. Wait, Luca's pet died? Wait. Oh, because the rain? Oh no! Luca, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You can find another one. It's okay. I walk a lonely road.